OLO marker. So the black-bodied marker has the brush. Dark gray is chisel.
Oh, I never even noticed that there's like different colors.
Yeah. So there's the brush.
Nice. May I hold?
Yeah.
By the way, my assistant today is...
And then that's the chisel right there.
Chisel for your longer, bigger areas.
Yeah. So some customers never use the chisel. So what you can do, so what you can do is you can build your own custom set. We have a connector ring.
Nice.
Just connect it, and so maybe you're using these two random colors together for a project. Then you can.
And it's good for travel because you don't take as many markers.
Yes. And 1/2 marker holds as much ink as a traditional marker.
Okay.
So as much as, say, a Copic or a Spectrum Noir.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, and so this OLO has a free flow ink technology. You can see that the ink is flowing in there.
Oh, yeah.
So what this allows
instead of that big sponge thingy that's in the middle.
So your ink's not getting trapped in there. You get to use 95% of your ink, and then you get that nice line from beginning to end. You don't get the white streaking.
Cool.
There's 128 colors currently. More colors coming.
Literally my next question.
There's a refill cartridge for it. It's super simple. You're not pulling out ink or
you don't refill the ink. You do. You just replace the cartridge.
Yeah. So say this is the white body is the zero. So it's the base of all the markers. So say your blender goes dry. This is what a refill cartridge looks like. You just pull out the nib, put it in there, replace the cap. That's
and now
it.
You've got a new marker.
That's it. Yeah.
Wow.
Awesome. And what does the pens and the refills?
So the brush markers are $410. The refills are $269.
That is cheap.
Yes.
That is really cheap. I mean, I went with Spectrum Noir because everybody was using Copics, and that was the least expensive alternative when I was getting started with it. Now I've got the full set, and it's like, this is much less expensive than even the stuff I got on sale.
Yes.
Wow.
And it's made in Japan. Nibs are made in Japan, manufactured in Japan, inks are from Japan, so high quality.
Can she try some out on some blank paper? So somebody she can try it?
See what we've got. Oh, it's a nice nib. It's not too solid, but it's not too squishy either.
Oh, good.
So I think you'll get nice blends with that.
Everybody's interested.
Yeah, we have to try the blending. Always have to blend it. Yes.
So it doesn't tell me. Oh no, you did tell me. The black is the one that I'm after, right?
Understand the difference. But that's you're gonna.
So it's nice and vibrant. So I can just buy the black sides on their own, right?
Yeah. So
fabulous.
Get the displays and they're sold at pounds.
Right now, they're going to bring in sets to their store.
Very cool.
It's just getting it right.
Very cool indeed.
Oh, that one.
Oh, do you know what? I pulled out this side, and it surprised me. That's what I need to be careful of, I suppose.
A lot of hands that touch these and they connect.
And look at the cap that's actually over the nib.
That's true.
That is cool.
I'm not getting beaten this time.
Oh, that is a pretty pink.
Yeah, that is. It's really nice. Very cool.
Fabulous.
These are awesome. And how many colors did you say that there were?
128.
128, okay.
More to come. We've had great reception. Just started selling in July last year.
And so you can buy them individually like this in a store.
And there's also sets.
That was going to say that for some part.
So the unique thing about our sets is
they come in collections?
Yeah, they come in collections. So this is an 8 marker set, but you're getting 8 markers, but actually 16 colors because there's one color on one side and another color on the other.
When you buy them in a set, you get the brush and the chisel.
This looks like all brushes.
Oh,
that's what you want.
That's what I want.
The brush is by far the most
popular.
I see. Yeah,
so
that's what we've catered to the.
Aren't they clever?
That is
It's all
fabulous.
about us guys. Because that's definitely what we need.
So there's 8-piece and then there's 4-piece as well.
And does the
So the 4-piece for people just want to try it out and see, or they just want skin tone. I see you've got a special skin
primary
tone.
collection, and you get 8 markers.
Yeah,
but
and this is
50 colors.
this one has only 15 colors because it
I
comes with
saw
black.
that.
Yep.
Sure. But then, so this is obviously normally 16 colors.
Right.
Do you then have the 4-pack for to make up the full colors? Does that make sense? Or what way does that work?
So this is just to start off with, and if someone wants to expand, then they would go with the 8.
But this would be the same
Same.
colors as these?
Yeah, some of the
Gotcha.
same. There are
Overlap
some
still.
duplicates. Yes.
But then you can get anything that you're missing from,
From the sides.
Individually.
Yeah.
Nice.
which is nice because some places all you can get is just the sets.
Yes.
You can't do
And then
individual
sometimes,
replacements.
Like, you will get a set that includes something like a pigment liner, but then every set that you get will have a pigment liner, which is great if you go through your pigment liners, but if you don't, it's not adding value because you're not going to use that pen.
Exactly.
Brilliant. And I'm happy to see greys, because greys are definitely used a lot for critters, aren't they?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. A lot of critter. And you have a colorless blender as well?
Yes, so we call ours, this is the 0. This is the base of all the markers. Yep. So it comes with the brush and the chisel as well. But yeah. And it's in the white body.
It's the white
Oh,
body.
and then
you have different
this is
colors
cool.
of connectors.
Yeah. you
Separate
can customize
handles
it.
if you don't
Yeah.
want to use the full marker.
Yeah, you can use it like a paintbrush feel.
I like it. And also
Replacement nibs. Yes. That is fabulous.
Which is a hand brush. So good. I like it. That's
It's
cool.
like the handle right there.
That is, yeah, it does look like a paintbrush.
I actually really like the length of this and the feel of it now. Because some of the pens are too long and then they feel top heavy, and then some of them feel quite short. Okay, there you go.
So you can customize it any way you want. We have
Fabulous.
black handles, red handles. The rings can be red, white, or black as well.
And you only see a little bit of that, but I like that. But what you could also maybe do is for your favorite go-to colors, put a different color ring in the middle. That would be cool, wouldn't it?
Will you be coming out with any other colors than just the red, white, and black?
Oh yes.
Like
You need
like,
a teal and a pink.
Yes, my watch. That's the color I want. Is the teal?
It
Yes.
is also the color I want. Or just have lots of paper. Yeah, I'll have
Thank you so much. I
Oh, you're very
appreciate
welcome.
this.
Thank you for stopping
And thank
by.
you, Leslie. Yay!